Thank you. That hound had us scared half to death.
The watch is saying they're gonna step up.
Everyone I know said they felt a lot better after talking to Mario.
There are monsters on the plate too, right?
Nope.
That's not fair.
The factory's full.
Hey, the area around the old...
Step back.
If you want to go around, you'll have to wait till the blockade's lifted.
Factory's off limits. Drakes have been spotted inside. Huh? Wait a minute. Tifa? Don't tell me you're here to take care of those things. Are you? In that case, be my guest. We believe there's at least 2 groups lurking somewhere inside the factory. Find and cull them all.
The factory's open for business again. While it is okay to enter the factory now.
Give them hell. Reports said the Drakes looked like they were
Make sure
nesting.
you're geared up before
Need you to
go
clear
in.
them out before...
Bring it. Here we go. It's over. Get ready. Enough. Shit. Here we go. See ya. You're good at this.
Told you so.
Piece of cake. Let's do this. Let's get this over with. Here we go. Enough. No holding back. That it?